So this here is the Dremel 540 cutoff wheel. I've got a pack of them that I've been using. I've been trying to cut off some metal here on a vanity that I'm installing. Part of the bracket is in the way, and these discs are awesome. Very versatile. I've used them for many years. Just various applications. You may have a screw that's a bit too long. You can chop off the end of it. But these are good for metal, wood, plastic. So you can see this disc here, it's very rigid. There's no flexibility to it. It has the hole in the middle there. That's how you mount it to the spindle. Just a little screw slides through there. You can see here it's about 1¼ inches in diameter. So over the course of time, these cutoff wheels, they'll wear down and you replace them. They have pretty good lifespan, but they are something that you will consume over a period of time. On my Dremel here, I've got this little lock button that holds the spindle in place, allowing you to essentially unscrew the disc from the rest of the spindle there. Take that out. Slide the screw through the disc there and screw it back into the spindle. And once you do that, it's ready for use. So you can see here, it's on, it's spinning. So it was as easy as that. I was able to notch out the metal there and kind of clear the way for my sink brackets. So you can see here this cutoff disc, I mean this was about an 1/8 inch of metal here that it took out pretty easily. Definitely handy to have for many different purposes.